Hi, I'm Paul Hawkins. I'm a senior design engineer at the Bristan Group, and I designed the award-winning Wallmount 12 fixing kit for our bar showers.
Most fixing kits use a plain bore bridging piece to connect the wall plate to the bar shower. We wanted to develop an improved version of this to make installing, maintaining and upgrading bar showers a much easier job. Wallmount 12 bridging piece has an innovative inbuilt roll isolator that can be accessed through the fully enclosed Safe Touch shroud. The advantage of this is that the entire main system doesn't need shutting off. Simply shut off the water locally at the point of entry into the valve, saving downtime and making maintenance, installing or replacement easier and quicker. Wallmount 12 is designed to fit most Bristan bar showers perfectly.
Discover our full Wallmount 12 bar shower range at bristan.com.